So he's been in for a week now, so now start doing his training with him. Just nice relaxed leash. Let your lead relax.
Yep. Ready?
Get him to sit.
Sit. Sit. Good. Good boy.
Just relax. Just walk forward. Forward pace. About 10. Just let your lead relax. Let it relax. Let your lead relax. No. Right, put him in sit. Put him into a sit. Just relax, drop your leads down at the side of him. Step away.
Sit.
Right, put him back into a sit. Remember, it's your first time working this dog, so you've no bond to him. Go back to him, praise him. Push him up, pick your lead up, pick your lead up first. Pick your lead up first, then praise him. Now praise him, give him some verbal praise. Walk forward. So use Zeb as your decoy, as your stooge dog. And make him sit there. And just relax your leash, relax, just stand there. Drop your leash. Drop it, drop your lead.
Let's go.
No!
Oh.
Make him sit inside of Zeb. Drop your lead. Drop it. Step away.